I'm giving out big smoke, big smoke. Got a whole lot of big smoke, big smoke. Ain't no running from this big smoke, big smoke.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Slow Boy VQ, aka Chris, back to you with another video. Today's video is gonna be very special. I know I'm talking really fast because I'm really excited, but let me slow it down. You guys, we got a special package. We got two special packages actually that we've been waiting on for a little minute. So today we're gonna be putting on a diffuser, and I don't know what it's called, but it's the thing. I'm gonna when it goes on, I'll show you. I think it's called the diffuser extension, whatever. That's what it was. I don't know, but we got these products from South Bay Auto Works. Shout out to South Bay. They got us right. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting these on and everything like that. I need to get some stuff for it because I know they come with that small 3M tape. That junk is trash, very trash. So we need to get 3M tape, some blue tape, and some screws so I can screw these in so they don't fall off. I'm not only trusting 3M tape to hold these on. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the diffuser and stuff looks like and the extensions. And yeah, as y'all can see, they packaged it well, really good. So it's gonna take a little minute to open it. So guys, here's the diffuser. I got the one with the third brake light. That just looks mean, bro. Yeah, this one looks clean. I know it's gonna look good on the car. So yeah, that junk looks mean. You got the light in there, cords. I'm probably not gonna show an installation video because it's gonna take too long. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all like the afterwards part and everything like that. And I'm gonna show y'all these two. These shouldn't be too hard to take out. Yeah, we also got these bumper extension thing, whatever you want to call it. You guys must know in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna be putting these on too. So this and this. So this should change like the whole back end of the car, bottom part wise. But I don't know. We'll see it, and I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. So yeah. I'm gonna run to the store. I'm gonna run to Lowe's and grab those stuff that we need for these. And yeah. I want a hair code starter in the car. It's hair code start. Look at this. It's hot though, God. But yeah, we're gonna be heading to. I'm gonna catch y'all when we come back from the store and everything like that with the stuff that we need. Yeah, that's fucking crazy. But yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we come back. Well, you guys, I got back from the store. Look at the weather. It looks like it's gonna rain, bro. Oh my God. Hopefully it doesn't. But I got stuff. Got the 3M tape. Got my screws, washers, all that. So we're finna get started before it starts actually pouring. Hopefully it doesn't. And yeah, man, I had to slow down the process because it was raining. As you can see, it rained. But now we finna get to it. We finna start putting on that that diffuser. Shoot. And I'll just show y'all what I'm doing as I go by. Yeah. All right, y'all. I got the diffuser on, which is straight. That junk mean, bro. I got the diffuser on. Don't mind all the stuff that's there. I had to find stuff to freaking hold it up and make sure that it stayed in the spot that I wanted at, so it didn't fall down or whatever. But yeah, this is how it's looking, everything like that. Now it's time to put on those right there, which seemed pretty easy. Everything fits up. I like mocked it up and everything before I put anything on anything. But yeah. Man, and that thing's not going nowhere. That 3M tape held that junk up. But I think I'm probably might need to go buy more for that piece too. Cause that one's just done, bro. Or unless I could use that, but I really don't trust that one. either. So I don't know. I probably might just go get that one, call it a day, honestly. But we'll see. Well, guys, I just finished bolting in this side. This joint is not going nowhere. Nowhere. That shit is there. It's not going nowhere. See, I put bolts on this side. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, one right there, and one right there. So, and I put like 2 right here for the diffuser. I'm putting more on the other side. I just haven't reached to that side yet. But yeah, it just seems like it's not going anywhere. Well, guys, there's the final product. Everything is on, bro. Everything is on. I mean, the car's still jacked. That's why it looks sideways. I'm about to connect in the light. This is about to be the fun part. But I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna look mean now. The back of the car looks mean, bro. That's what does. All that, bro. I like that. I just needs to get washed up and everything, but I think this is the last day we're gonna have rain in Florida, so we're gonna see. But yeah, I probably wanna make that light a little bit darker because that junk is orange instead of red. But yeah, unless there's plastic over it, I don't know. We'll check it out whenever I'm done. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Well, guys, I'm back. It's been a couple of days since I've been doing that down there. Well, it's on. Everything is on. I fixed the lights. I fixed everything. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. So just in case if you guys buy it, you'll know. I'm gonna show you guys. And don't mind the trunk. It's pretty dirty, but I'm gonna show you how I wired everything up. Just give me a second. Okay, you guys see, this is the black wire. The black wire is black wire. I tap them both into the same thing. That's the ground. Then I tap the red wire with the red wire right here. Then I tap the white wire with the green wire. It's kind of messy, but it's all clean though. It's just hard to get the tape into these small spaces. But yeah, I did that. So it's black with black, red with red, white with green. And that makes the light flash like when you tap on the brake, or it just makes the light stay on all the time when the headlights are on. So yeah, and basically how the way you run this wire, just in case you guys don't know, let me show you this. You would have to lift up this. Hold on, I'm just gonna get. Basically, you would tap the wire through this little hole thing. I don't know why it's so dirty under here. I just peeped. But yeah, you would tap the wire under this piece right here. Basically, you would push it out from the bottom, then cut a hole in it and push the wire through, then push this back in so no water or anything can get through. Then you slide it in all the way up till you get to that point where the wires are. But yeah, now I'm gonna go bring the car to get it washed because it's been dirty. It's been a couple weeks since I washed this car because of the rain. So today is the day we get it washed. And yeah, we're gonna see how it looks and everything. I haven't seen it clean with this diffuser thing on, so yeah, it should be pretty nice. We'll see. Oh guys, I finally washed the car. Here's how it looks while it's clean. Oh, that person, whoever that is, they going crazy. But look. See, that's how it looks. That junk looks clean from the back. That junk look mean from the back, man. I like it. I like it a lot. I do need some tire shine. Them just looking pretty full. But yeah, that's it. The car is clean. I need something to fix the headlights, bro. I'm probably just gonna customize them anyway, but I need to fix the top of that. If you guys know anything that can fix this, cause I don't like that. Like, let me know in the comments. Cause I'm trying to fix that too. That just throw off the whole look, no cap. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. You guys like, comment, subscribe. I know it wasn't a long video or anything. It wasn't anything too exciting, but it's a video, you feel me? Just to put out, just to show y'all how the car is progressing and everything like that. So that's what it's about. It's just steps on building the car to where I wanted to get to. So yeah. But you guys stay tuned for the next video. You guys stay safe. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.